If you have placed an order with a merchant or a vendor which hosts their website on Shopify, and you happen that your order hasn't been delivered, or maybe you haven't received tracking number, and there's no way to reach out to the store or communicate with them to figure out where's your order, why they haven't shipped it out, and stuff like that, you can reach out to Shopify and let them look into it. But before I kind of show you this method, you should know that most cases Shopify doesn't really force refunds. But if there's an influx of reports for the particular merchant that potentially they're having some sort of fraudulent activity, they will definitely take a look at it. So if there's no way to reach out to Shopify store vendor, you have to go to this link, which I will leave in the video description, and simply just type in your name, email, and the order confirmation URL. Not the website, but order confirmation URL. Usually you can get it from the email which you receive after you place an order. Or if you click on learn more, there's a whole step process how to find this order confirmation URL. Once you step in, click next, and then simply submit the report. It most likely the Shopify might not even reach out back to you, but they will definitely look into this whole situation, and if there's influx, they possibly will take some sort of action. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you would like to learn more about Shopify, please ensure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.